Welcome to this episode of Delfield Tech Talk. Today we're going to be going over how to remove, clean, and replace Delfield drawers. Removing our drawers is quite simple. First, pull the drawer all the way out and lift up on the drawer assembly to remove the face. Next, reach into the unit and locate the blue locking clips. We're going to release those by sliding them to the back of the cabinet and pulling the rolling track system completely out. These rolling track systems can be thrown right into the dishwasher and washed with normal cycles. Any additional cleaning could be done with a soft bristle brush and some warm soapy water. Here we're looking at the slider's lock mechanism. To slide the lock into the rear position unlocks the slider, and to slide it in the forward position locks the slider into the channel. You're going to start the install with the lock in the unlocked position. Slide the slider halfway into the unit and lock the slider by moving the lock to the forward position. Lastly, with the rolling sliders installed, pick up the drawer assembly and door face and insert them into the roller. While applying pressure to slide the drawer face in, gently lift up until the track system gets in the rear roller and slide the drawer all the way shut. Thank you for watching this episode of Delfield Tech Talk. For more information, check out our YouTube page.